Hi, Bruce from Safari. We're having a look at our Jupiter kits, our upright kits here for Canopies. And just to point out a couple of the features on these is that this one here is 48 volt, 5000 inverter that's in it. It's got a Scotty DC to DC, so this will charge at 125 amps from the alternator. The one over there is got a 3000 12 volt inverter in it. It's got a 50 amp DC to DC that's installed. These are both got otherwise exactly the same fronts on them. They've both got the digital switching on here. These are custom engraved, and you can then add the wireless switching on top of that. So you can install this and then put the wireless switch on the other side of the canopy. But the nice feature that we're offering here today is the new solid-state lithium batteries. And these are 212 amp hours each, so the two together here is the equivalent to 450 amp hours, but just look at the size, very, very compact. They stack together. We've got a special locking base you can buy, it's an option. It sits on top of the base, strap goes over the top, and it won't go anywhere. These are cans, so we don't need a shunt in these. It reads the battery directly. These have got a 1C charge discharge rate, so that's 400 amps you can run out of here at 12 volt. And the same equivalent current here on the 48 volt, and it'll charge at a high rate. So in the middle of next week, we're going to be at the Melbourne Caravan Camping Show, and we have these on special at the show. We have a special deal on the combination with the batteries here with these kits that you can see at the Melbourne show. And for those that aren't in Melbourne, we're going to make the show special available to everyone in Australia leading up to the show and a couple of days after it. Have a look on our website under the upright canopy kits, the Jupiter ones, and you'll see the show special there. How good's that?